Good morning, everyone. I need a traffic light here in my garage because apparently this plastic shelf and maybe other household items are jumping right in front of this car. Damaged already the front license plate, so yeah, a traffic light will do it. So I went online, look for traffic lights for your garage, couldn't find any. But on the Park 8, I found something. So let's see how that thing works out and how to install it. And I don't know how it will work. And I gotta make a 7-minute video out of this, she told me. So we'll see. Just stay tuned. We go upstairs, open the package up, see what's in there. Hello, are you here? I thought you come upstairs. Oh, yeah, you're here. Okay, no gloves today, hand sanitizer, because I still don't trust these packages. Let's open it and see what kind of Park 8 we ordered. Wow, there's not much to it. It's green, yellow, and red. So actually a real traffic light would be like this. Red is on top. I don't know why. Must be from Australia, maybe other side of the planet. I don't know. Don't you hate these things? Well, I guess we wing it. This unit requires 4 AA batteries. So you got a traffic light, a set button, and this seems to be an ultrasound sensor. First we gotta put some batteries in here. Where's the there's a USB port. Actually, I could connect it to USB and see what it does, if it lights up or something. How about this, guys? I'm gonna connect it now to USB before I put all that glue stuff on. Let's see what happened when I plug this in. Maybe it burns out right away. Should I do it? Ooh, green, yellow. Come on, red. I hope it's still visible in the daylight. Actually, it's not outside, so it should be visible. I just mounted on that plastic shelf, so even if the shelf would jump forward, we would be able to stop because we see red. Hello. Now we gotta go back in the garage and glue that on, I guess. So let's see if we can professional mount this thing. Let me see. Well, I think I put this in here, and then they say where the bumper is, that would be the lower shelf here. Hope the wire is long enough. So we are using my battery pack for now. Now it tells me I have to push the red button if the car is parked well. First I gotta make sure the car is parked correctly. We have to park far enough in the front so we can open this door without hitting this. Okay. So let's push this button. So there should be no more issues with household items jumping in front of the car because we have a traffic light in here. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Even if you don't like the video for what it is, think about it. You always can use it as a sleep aid. And for that, it deserves a big thumbs up.